What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, that's right, a car just went by. Listen, it's fall time, kid. Well, it's almost fall. All the leaves are collecting on the roof. If you've got a roof and you can't reach a certain gutter like me, get yourself the shop vac extension, tape it, duct tape it to your bad boy backpack blower. I'm using the Red Max EBZ 8050. What do you want to do? Cause two-stroke. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to reach those hard to reach spots where you don't want to reach out, fall, break your neck, end up in a chair, you know what I mean? So let's do it, kid. Let's do it. Nothing to it but then to do it. That's what I'm talking about. Look, within under 5 minutes, we got it all cleared out. We're looking nice and fresh all the way down. And you know, you're keeping a safe distance. All right, excuse me for talking loud if I am. I got headphones on, so I really don't know what I sound with the headphones on, you know what I mean? So, yeah, it's nice and clean. You want to do this at least, if you can access your roof in this season, you want to do it at least once every other week. Or if we're going to get a big rainstorm, you want to get up there and try to clean them if you don't have those guards and stuff. But that's it. Put a little extension on the end of your backpack blower. You can, even if you don't have that, you can get yourself some PVC pipe and only use it. You can actually stand on the ground, put a PVC pipe on this, extend it about 15 feet and put a hook on it, and you can actually hang it if you wanted to and try to blow it out from the ground if you had no other way to get to the roof. And if not, obviously you hire a professional. All right, let's finish it up. I'm going to take the blower down to the property. We're going to blow all this crap obviously out into the street. You know how it works. Let the cars take it down the road, and that's how we do it over here, kid. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and like the video, cuz, and we will catch you on the next one. Stay tuned to the next video when we put the cover on that bad boy. Look how big it is. It's almost as high as my roof. It's pretty cool though. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny! Where are you, son? Yep, I think he's down there. I think he's down there. Sonny, you down there, kid?